and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making DIY graphic shirts without using transfer paper. This tag I have seen around for like a while now, but then it was brought back up on TikTok and now it's like the new thing that people have been trying. So I thought, why not let me try it on this channel and see for myself how well this works. Your girl loves her some DIY sewing, so that fits within the niche. Also, I'm a broke bitch, so we're gonna be easy on the pockets. For those of you who can't afford those really cute but very pricey graphic tee tops. But before we can get on into this video, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and be a part of the familia. And if you guys want to support my channel, down in the description box below, there is a GoFundMe link. It will say follow the yellow brick road. The GoFundMe link will send you to my campaign to where you can donate any amount to the YouTube account. All proceeds goes back into you guys. Nothing goes to me. I also don't want to pressure you guys too much into trying to provide for the channel financially. There are other options in order to support my channel, such as subscribing, watching my videos fully, liking the video, commenting down below. Things like that help, you know, in a sense, fund the channel or fuel the channel. That is where, you know, I just understand and know more of what you guys will want content wise. So if you just simply even do that, that'll be fine too, or both. But if you will like to donate money, then the GoFundMe link is there for you down below. All right, I can't really wait any longer, so let's get on into this video. First, log into your laptop or your PC and then go ahead and search up who you want printed out on your graphic tees. So I searched up Aaliyah first and then I went ahead and searched up Selena because both are it girls, but then I realized I already had them. So I went ahead and got creative and wanted to do the Etsy inspired YouTube t-shirts that I saw. So I went on PowerPoint, made a blank slide, and then I'm going to transfer the logo over to the blank slide and kind of put it on the center left and then type in Alley Transformations by channel name. The font that I used was called Bond Serif Condensed. I was trying to get as close to the YouTube logo as possible. You can get it on font.com if it's not already installed. But I went ahead and changed my idea for my channel name to my URL just because I like the idea better. And this is what I settled for. So whenever you're satisfied, go ahead and print. Back to our first grade skills of cutting. All you're gonna do is pretty much just cut around all of these. I cut out the profile picture separately and then eventually I went back and cut out the play button separately after because we live and we learn and we figure out what's best for us. But yeah, I found that cutting as much white space as possible actually was even better than just leaving it on despite the fact that I already have a white shirt. Here we go, vlog mode. I just took a long sheet of some cheap plastic wrap and then put my printouts face down on the plastic wrap and then folded that in half so the back half is covering in plastic wrap, and then cut off the excess because we don't need that. You need a t-shirt, so I got a white t-shirt and just laid that out. You're wanting the part that you're going to put your transfer on to be as smooth as possible, so I just took the iron that I'm about to use later on and aligned my transferred printout according to my taste. And once we get it to where you like it, put the parchment paper on top. Parchment paper helps protect not only your iron from getting the plastic melted onto it, but the wax also melts onto the plastic, creating kind of a transfer paper like texture on top to make it look more like you didn't just DIY it, you bought it. And here's the satisfying part.
I just cut out an extra square of plastic wrap just so I made sure all of my picture is covered and it will just kind of smooth out any imperfections on top. Then more satisfaction. Don't think we're done yet. We have to care for our graphic tees because DIY graphic tees are different than others. You hand wash with cold water and then you're going to allow that to air dry before wearing because we don't want any mushy, wet clothing on us. But also it will allow our print to set and not ruin. So, as the final results, drum roll please.
If you guys like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and once again ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I will see you guys next time. Y'all stay safe out there. Mwah! Love you.